Can we implicitly design learning experiences? This is the fight I had on Twitter the other day with my friend Danny. He believes that we just have experiences and we hope that the byproduct is good learning. But I believe we can implicitly design learning experiences for these good outcomes that we can measure. Undercover Boss, the TV show, is a great example. They take the boss, they put them in the factory floor or in the workplace, and that boss learns what it's like to be on the ground in that company. At the end, there's tears and all this emotion and hugging and sorry, and basically the peak experience and emotion are connected to create a learning experience for that boss.
Yay!
So how can we create engaging, memorable peak experiences that are necessary to get people not only to care about what they need to learn, but have that emotional component that helps their brain retrieve the learning in future?